Hey everyone, I'm back again. Today we're going to talk about sale and lease comps. As we all know, the devil is in the details, meaning the more information we have, the better it is for us. Now you can see lease comps and sales comps in tile view, list view, and even my favorite map view, which you can use your radius, polygon, zip code search, traffic search. You can add your points of interest and all kinds of cool things. So you can make sure you're dialing in your comps to value the lease and sales properly. Now, how do we create those comps? One is you can always import data through our import tool in bulk, right? So you can import up to 10,000 records. You can import lease comps, sales comps. When you click on them, there's two important things. First off, when you click on to import them, there's a help video here. The second one is if you want a template, just click download and download the template. It's pretty easy to bring in those comps in bulk. You can also click on RX data. There's a lease and sales comp importer in there. If you want to use that import engine, you can do that or you can use it here. It's a very simple process. If you need help, our support team is here to help you. Now, if you're going and creating a comp off a property as you're calling the market and you're finding out that properties have traded, whether they're selling or leasing, here's an easy way to do it. Now, I have a property pulled up. This is my Needham Industrial. I absolutely love showing this building. To create a comp, just hit comps. Then what this is going to do is it's going to pull up an area for a buyer, a seller, procuring agent, listing agent. Now, the nice thing is we're a fully relational database. So what does that mean? That means all you need to do is just type in the name of the company you want. First initiative. Yes, I want it to fill in the fields. Any additional information you want, you can fill in. Then you're simply going to go ahead and hit save. Now what it's going to do is it's going to create a carbon copy of that property. And so now we have our lease comp, a sales comp. Then we have our property, and then we can go back here to links. And then we can see that the property is traded once on March 11th, 2026, and the other one on July 26th, 2024. So you can see every time it trades here, it's fully related. Here's the information. You can see the data. You can run reports on it, all kinds of fun things with that. Now, what if the tenant occupies another space within inside of the building? So we have a multi-tenanted building. We have 3 tenants here. All you need to do is simply right-click and say go to space. Once you go to that space that's traded, it's going to bring you up to this area, and you can choose one of 2 options. Option A is lease comp. Option B is sales comp. Sales comp on a space works identical to how it does on a property, and same with lease comps, except for it's going to have a lessee and lessor. Procuring agent, listing agent here is the same. Okay, so again, all relatable, super easy. Carbon copies it. Once it does, you'll see your sales comps here, you'll see your lease comps here, and you'll be off to the races. If I went too fast, you can slow me down on the YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this video, but this is a great way of getting comps into your database. That is your source of truth. That is your golden nugget. That information is stuff that you will have that your competitors won't. Will give you that competitive advantage in 2026. Thanks everybody for watching this video on sale and lease comps, how to import them, how to create them. Talk to you soon.